If you're like me and take Capitol Circle every day for your commute, you might have noticed some utility work that slowed traffic on Sunday and Monday. I'm Kendall Brandt, your neighborhood reporter in Northeast Tallahassee. I'm digging into what happened here and how it's impacting neighbors in this area. Nancy DeGC enjoys having a little pond in her backyard.
It's a little paradise in the middle of the city. People walk their dogs down there in the morning.
Now the city is warning those neighbors to keep their pets away from the pond after a sewage line broke on Capitol Circle Northeast near Mahan Drive. The Department of Environmental Protection says the leak spilled 23,000 gallons of sewage into Tallahassee streets and in the pond. The GC says she noticed a change in the pond Sunday.
I noticed the water level was up a couple feet yesterday and we had not gotten any rain.
I called the city of Tallahassee to get more details on the spill. They connected me with David Roberts, a manager with Public Utilities. He tells me the spill happened Sunday afternoon and was fixed a couple of hours later.
The force main that broke was a 24-inch diameter pipe. That is a big pipe that carries a lot of water.
I crunched the numbers. The amount of sewage leaked into 2 local retention ponds was 23,000 gallons. That's enough to fill up more than 319 average-sized bathtubs. Roberts says the spill should not impact people's drinking water.
It is completely separate from our drinking water system, so there's no interconnectivity there, and there's no possibility of the water system getting affected or contaminated.
The work being done now, repaving the road and cleaning up the 2 retention ponds.
They were out first thing this morning. They've been pumping the retention pond.
She says she's grateful for the public utility workers.
They're the heroes.
Now those lanes are expected to be back open for Tuesday morning's commute. In Northeast Tallahassee, Kendall Brandt, ABC 27.